Hello everyone and welcome to IEMLabs. Now in this tutorial we shall be displaying a simple calendar using the Python. Now the agenda for today's tutorial is to learn a little bit about what shall we use and how to display the calendar using a Python script. Now what shall we use? We are going to use the calendar module of Python. Now this module is already inbuilt in Python, so we do not have to install it externally. Using the calendar module, we can display the days and dates for any month of any year in 4 very simple steps. To start off with the Python script, open up your Python IDLE and create a new script. As you can see, I have named my script as calendar.py and import the calendar module. Next, we are going to take input the year and the month that the user wants to display it. So both shall be integers, therefore we are going to do int input as, let us take the year as enter the year, and let us take the input for the month as enter the month, just like that. Now to print the calendar, we will do print calendar dot month within parentheses the year, comma, the month. Now we shall save the script and run it. Let us enter the year as 2014 and the month as 3, that is month of March. And we press enter and we see that the calendar has been displayed for the month of March in the year 2014. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and please do not forget to press the bell icon so that you get notified of any and every video that we post on this channel. Thank you.